Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best indoor security cameras in 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about these indoor security cameras you can check out the description below. If you'd like to win one, it's the Wisecam V2. For those that don't live in the best neighbourhoods or just want to be extra careful with the security of their houses, apartments and even workplaces, I'd recommend you invest in a nice indoor security camera that'll give you peace of mind and will help you find culprits if something happens. However, not everybody can afford full house high-end systems since it might not fit into everyone's budget. If you match that description, I'd recommend the Wisecam V2. This camera is very affordable, also has a local storage, motion tracking, good 1080p video and many more features in its small body, so let's take a closer look. The Wisecam V2 is shaped like a small cube that has a close resemblance to its predecessor, but unlike its precursor it has a matte white body that measures about 2.2 by 1.9 by 1.9 inches in total and has a flexible hinge and swivel base that deliver height and angle adjustability. The base also has magnets in the bottom allowing you to attach it to any metallic surface, and there's a metal disc in the package that has adhesive strips that allow you to attach the device to a non-metallic surface. Also, I have to mention that the body of the Wisecam V2 is quite durable and can take plenty of beating. The whole initial setup of the Wisecam V2 can be completed in just a matter of minutes, and no matter how hard I looked for any compromises, it surprised me it was simple and easy to complete. Just download the Wise app, turn on the device and the app will walk you through the whole process. The Wisecam V2 utilises a CMOS sensor that delivers an excellent 1080p video with 15 frames per second that's good enough for security purposes, and on top of that the device is packed with a two-way audio feature thanks to its enhanced audio amp. Moreover, it has the motion tagging feature that delivers a great motion tracking performance, and the micro SD card slot delivers a good performance for those that don't like cloud storage services. While it isn't a smart device and doesn't pack tons of features for its price, it is perfect. At number 4, it's the Ring Indoor Cam. Coming up next we have the Ring Indoor Cam, which is an excellent model that will deliver tons of value for its price. It's a super small camera, has a great wide angle lens, tons of features for its price such as two-way audio, real-time notifications, easy installation and integration with Amazon Alexa voice assistant. If you want to get the most bang for your buck in your home security camera, then this is worth taking a look at. You might think this is small, but when you see it you won't believe that the Ring Indoor Cam is super compact and portable. While some might consider this a disadvantage, when it comes to security cameras, the smaller the better, especially if you want to place it in a place like your living room, as it'll blend in with the design. I have to mention that the device measures about 1.8 by 1.8 by 2.4 inches in total, with its cylindrical body that sits on the top of a base that swivels. On the front it has the lens compartment which is black and contrasts the white body, the speaker and the microphone that allows for the two-way audio. In terms of features, the Ring Indoor Cam is packed with tons of them, including night vision, ability to monitor from your smartphone, two-way audio, motion detection and voice command controls if you pair it with Alexa or Google Assistant. It also is pretty smart but works better with Alexa, and it does a great job at it with IFTTT devices, a great smart solution. In terms of performance and image quality, it records at full HD 1080p video, has a super wide 140-degree view diagonally, which is better than most of the cameras in the competition. However, I have to say that this security camera isn't packed with advanced features such as face identification or anything similar, but for the price, it's still pretty good. I should also mention that the installation and setup process is pretty much excellent and the easiest I've seen so far. While it doesn't pack the most features, it works great with what it has, definitely one of the best in the market. At number 3, it's the D-Link DCS8300LH. Coming up next we have another relatively affordable indoor security camera coming in from D-Link. It's the DCS8300LH. This security camera delivers superb resolution, sound detection, motion detection, local storage, and as well it features the free cloud storage. I should also mention that the D-Link DCS8300LH also supports Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands, and on top of that it supports IFTTT connection with other smart devices in your house. The D-Link DCS8300LH has the same basic design as its predecessor, which was designed several years ago. However, the puck-shaped main compartment sits nicely on top of the stand that attaches to the circular base. The stand and base allow the camera to be tilted backwards and forwards, and also you'll find the screws and anchors in the package to deliver a good mounting solution. In the package of the device, you'll also find an AC power adapter with a 10-foot cord, which is good, but you'll still have to be careful with the placement. On the right side of the device, you'll spot the micro SD card slot, which can house micro SD cards with a capacity of up to 128 GB. And on the back, you'll spot the power jack, the reset button, and an LED indicator that gives you information about the status of the device. The D-Link DCS8300LH delivers free cloud storage for up to 3 cameras, giving you access to video recorded as a case of motion and sound tracking, but just for 24 hours, which is better than nothing, to be honest. If you wish to upgrade this, you have to opt for a plan that gives you access for 7 days of recording, which is the best plan as it's also pretty cheap. As I said in the beginning, it works very well with other smart devices due to its support for the IFTTT protocols. In terms of quality, it also delivers a great deal of it with its camera that records full HD 1080p video with 30 frames per second and a 130-degree field of view, making everything in the scene recognizable. It also has a couple of infrared LED lights that deliver a great black and white night vision performance up to 16 feet. At number 2, it's the Arlo Ultra. If you want to opt for a super advanced high-end indoor security camera system, then you'll have to opt for the Arlo Ultra. This amazing camera system delivers superb daylight video, superior night vision video, 4K resolution, super easy to use software, nice audio, and so many more features. However, you should know that this system is pretty expensive, which might be out of the price range for most of us. Right from the get-go, you'll see that the Arlo Ultra is a premium device, since it looks much better than its competitors with its classic black and white design with glossy plastic. The whole thing measures about 3.5 by 2 by 3.1 inches in total, and it's pretty much under the radar in terms of size, very low profile. The base of the Arlo Ultra is magnetic, meaning you can place the device on any metal surface, and it also has a metal base plate with adhesive strips on the bottom to help you attach it into different materials. While in terms of looks it might look pretty much the same as its predecessors, the Arlo Ultra is packed with tons of interesting upgrades and features, the biggest of them being the 2 motion-activated 6500K spotlight LEDs above the lens for full-colour night vision videos on top of its pair of traditional IR LED lights. This camera is also packed with a pair of noise-cancelling microphones that are located on each side of the lens, delivering a perfect performance overall. While I am recommending them for indoor use, the Arlo Ultra can also be used outdoors since it's waterproof and extremely durable at that. In the package of the device you'll find the 3-foot-long indoor charging cable, but you can also opt for longer cords if you have the need. In the package of the device you'll also find the Smart Hub, which delivers a priceless experience and will combine perfectly with all your Arlo smart devices. The biggest selling point of the Arlo Ultra is that it's capable of recording at 4K resolution, however you can also opt for 1080p resolution with better frame rates. I found out that this camera delivered a great experience with natural and accurate colours, and also on top of all this the lighting was pretty much excellent. With tons of high-end features such as tracking, zooming and a large 180-degree field of view, the Arlo Ultra is one of the best in the market. And at number 1, it's the Arlo Pro 3. On top of the list we have the Arlo Pro 3. While the Arlo Ultra might be the more high-end choice and will deliver better image resolution, the Arlo Pro 3 comes in a pack of 2 cameras at a better price, which is extremely impressive to say the least. It's packed with tons of features, has a great build quality, is very easy to set up, and tons of other desirable qualities that'll give you peace of mind. So let's take a closer look. The Arlo Pro 3 looks pretty much the same as the aforementioned Arlo Ultra with the same ovoid design, white and black body with a glossy plastic, so yeah, pretty much the same. You get the spotlight LED on the top of the camera lens, charging pins and a button to open up the device for swapping the battery. However, in the package you'll find 2 of these and the Smart Hub as well, which is also the same as the high-end model with the all-white plastic design. The Smart Hub has an Ethernet port, USB port that can be used for local storage and power input. I think having your security cameras to a hub instead of a Wi-Fi system directly is more intuitive and safe as well. The initial setup of the Arlo Pro 3 is pretty much a walk in the park, as the Arlo Companion app will walk you through the whole process, connecting your router to the base station and connecting your cameras with very simple instructions and everything in between to deliver you a super intuitive experience. From the Arlo Companion app, which is available for both Android and iOS devices, you can tweak the smart settings such as the geo-fencing features, motion zones, motion tracking, the notifications and so much more. Coming to the biggest selling point, the Arlo Pro 3 delivered superb quality in the recorded footage. This camera recorded everything in 2K resolution with HDR to deliver amazing sharpness, exposure, contrast and superb colours, making everything much better. I noticed that every feature of this device worked like it is intended, and it fit right in with the majority of smart home systems and all IFTTT applets. If you want the best indoor security camera for your house, this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.